And this is wood for the morning?
Yeah, we need some little pieces to go with the big pieces. We have some fat wood that'll start it real easy. Just need some little pieces chipped off to put together and make that work. There's a little pile here. Little fire starter. So. And that will fire right up. A little piece of fat wood. Hatchet is very sharp, by the way. And that is plenty.
Prepared for the cold morning.
That with some of the fat wood from over here.
What's it called?
It's called fat wood.
Fat wood.
Yeah.
Where does it come from?
Well, center of pine trees and other things, but they also call it lighter knot, but it's got petroleum, natural petroleum in it, and you can light it with a lighter and it will just take off.
Awesome.
It burns a long time and it will start any fire.
All right.
So that's the fat wood. Fat wood's lit. Let's see what happens. Once it gets going, it keeps on going. I think that's going to be fine. Here we go.
Mm-hmm.
Heat?
Mm-hmm.
Good. You're gonna need this.
We want our coffee. Butane unfortunately stops working below 31 degrees, so it's a little too cold to get this water boiling, so we're going to have to put it over the fire. This is a lot quicker.
All right.
Yeah, that's good. I'll let it sit for a minute. I think so.
Huh? Is that a dude on a boat right there? It is, isn't it? Sitting on the shore.
Yeah. collapsible bucket that I use to wash dishes.
Thanks for watching. See you soon.